Yeah, it's like this, and you like just keep on jumping, and oh, how did I? Wait, what? How did I? I've never done that before, bruh. I never even knew you could do that. I think it's on like only the second stage where like you sprint and jump forwards, and then like okay, I never want that to happen. Maybe if I do it, will it do it again? Oh, done. But anyway, right. Could you possibly show me your malachite? Wait, why'd you add windows? In what video? Yeah, you can't do it. Right, anyway, so wait, do you actually have 400 malachite that I can like look through the wall and see? Wait, did your friend have edits? Oh yeah, from anyway. Yeah. Why did he leave? Right then. Go on, Lila. Go on. Good girl. Sorry, my dog wanted to jump down. She was on my lap, don't know why. Right, so can I see your malachite? Go through the wall like glitch. If you want, I can keep moving like this. And by the way, my keyboard, if it does happen, I don't mind if you pick up your stuff, but it'll like cut out, but my mic will be on because it's like connected through different things, so I can tell you. But yeah, don't be spooked by that. It's just like a thingy I need to get fixed with it. Cause it's like plugged in and there's like a loose connection. I don't know why, but there is. Wait, who's that? Oh, that's Team. Alright, wait, I can hear him speaking. Oh my god. Hello? 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 Wait, hold on, someone's on the phone. Hello? Oh, sorry, that's my friend. Alright, Sheepy. He can stay away if you want. Alright, Sheepy. Don't worry, he's trustworthy. Alright, Sheepy. You alright? If you want, you'll, wait, should we put him up there? Put both of your friends up there, or should they just stay rooming? Alright then. Wait, are you do you wanna... Can you come? Are we gonna do the trade or... Well, not trade, sorry. Yeah, but well, first we're gonna trade, alright? So just stay out here. Yeah, you. We're not really trading them, just, he said that he has 400 malachite, which I wanted to see, but then if he wants them, we can do an actual trade. Hello, are you there? Alright. I want to see if this is proof that you actually have 400 malachite. So what are you doing? No, you don't have to drop it all. That's fine, like, I understand why, since malachite's quite rare, but I don't even have anything to use malachite for anyway, so it's not really a thingy for me. All of my guns are silver, and I literally have to get 8 more tiers, like, of unlocks to get up to Malachite, so pretty sure I'm not going to be getting any Malachite soon. Yeah? A what? Oh, nice. Wait, are you showing me your Malachite or no? It's up to you. I don't really care. Pardon? Alright then, that's fine. I understand why. No. He just said that he had 400 Malachite, so I wanted to actually see if he was telling the truth. Wait, so what do you want to trade? Wait. Do you have any, like, good guns, like 58s? Any others? Did I see that in your hand? I don't know. Or you can drop it and I can see it through the wall. Wait, could you jump through the wall? Let me see. Did you drop it? I can't see anything. Dude, I can't see anything. Blind as a bat. What do you mean? Well, why don't you show like here or something if you don't want to show it through the wall, like through the window, but like at the far back corner, if you know what I mean. So I I don't even think I can, but glitch through. And by the time I go like this, to try and grab your guns, you're probably gonna have already picked it up. If I can actually get over it. What, up there? What, you want to trade up there? Wait, Brandham. Do you want to trade up there, do you mean? Where do you want to trade? Wait, where do you want to trade then? Yeah. I can already craft them, mate. Okay then. Wait, so what? I'm confused. Alright then. Right, if both of you go up. Both of you. Anyway, so what's on the tree? I don't know how, but people can like glitch on top of it. I have a 58 Dragon Roar, 58 Canter Killer, 58 Long Arm Enforcer, 58 Super Shredder with water actually, 50 Ranger, 50 Silent Spectre, 49 Tiger, 49 Enforcer, another 49 Enforcer, both with fire. Dragon's Roar again, Dragon, 43 Super Shredder, 39 Exterminator, a 37 Shredder, 35 Bullet Swarm, 34 Bold Eagle, 34 Maverick, a 34 Double Punch, a 32 Scope Dragonfly, 29 Scope, 29 Quad Launcher, 29 Tiger, 27 Ray Gun, a 27 Shredder, 22 Haywire Storm, 20 Bolt, 58 Dragon Roll. What, the 58 Dragons Roll? What for? Oh my god, my dog is so needy. Toilet! Toilet! Oh my god, my dog wants to go toilet. Alright, so what were you saying? What for the 58? How much durability? How much durability? Alright then. Has what? The ground panda. I can make that level 27, I think. Yeah, I can. Oh shit. Alright then. For the level 40 what? No, 50 what? I'm gonna hold this. People pressing C for some reason. What? Pardon? What? Alright then, so your ground pounder and my thingy. Alright then. So why are you standing there? Can't you drop yours as well? Okay. I know that you scam, but seriously. Yeah, and I recorded that. Both of you get fucking uploaded to fucking 30,000 fucking subscribers. Yeah, you piss yeah. Yeah, piss off. No one loves you. Yeah, I've muted him. I've muted TSQ Jam. Just leave him. I've muted him. There's no point in him staying here. And anyway, it was only a level 20, so yeah. Scammers get exposed. Scammers get exposed. By the way, guys, please report TSQ Germ. His name is right there. Go and report him. He's a bloody scammer. He's a scammer. We're trying to put him up to the test. Yeah, look, the level 20 right there. And we're trying to put him up to the test. See if he would scam or not. So anyway, his friend and that, yeah, he probably doesn't want to be uploaded, so that's probably why I gave it back. So anyway, those guys can be put up on YouTube. And also, by the way guys, report TSQ Brandham right here. That's his name, and TSQ Gem. Alright then, go on. Yeah, I don't really care. They'll probably report you there instant actually. They've banned very many players. As soon as I upload this video, they're probably all gonna report you. Oh yeah, look. Oh look, he has edit permissions. Oh no, look, oh no. Oh no, what happened to your edit permissions? No. Oh, is that the only combat you can come up with? Went up your damn ass, really? Man, go back to preschool. Mate, 3-year-olds can make better comebacks than you. Jeez. Why can't I kick this TSQ germ? He can stay there as long as he likes. I don't really care.